Okay, so continuing now with the Gemara opens with this statement. So just to recap, the first ruling we learned in the Mishnah was that if someone finds an object in a heap of stones or an old wall, the law is that he can keep it. So the Gemara opens Tana. A Braita has taught that this is the reason that a person can keep what he finds in a heap of stones or an old wall. The reason is mipenei sheyachol lomar lo shel emoriim hin, because the finder can tell the owner of the heap or of the wall that these objects once belonged to the Emorim. The Emorim were the ancient inhabitants of Eretz Israel. They inhabited Eretz Israel prior to its conquest by Bnei Israel under Yoshua, under his leadership. So objects that were left behind by these inhabitants belong to whoever finds it, and therefore that's what the guy can claim when he finds these objects in a old wall or a heap of stones. To which the Gemara asks, Atu Emorim matznaim Yisrael lo matznaim? Is it only the Emorim who put away things in the walls, but Yisrael, Jews, don't conceal them there? Obviously, it's reasonable to assume that the object found in the wall is a more recent origin. Why do you have to assume it's only the Emorim that conceal items, but the Jews don't conceal items? Maybe it was again the homeowner who placed it in the wall or the heap. Why do you automatically assuming it belonged to the Emorim? So Gemara answers Lo tzricha deshatich tvei. This ruling of the Mishnah that said that the finder can keep it is necessary. It applies only in the case where the object is extremely rusty. Shatich tvei is extremely rusty. The extreme degree of rust on this object, it indicates that it's been there or in that wall for many, many years. It would be totally unusual for the owner to leave it there for that length of time, says Rashi. And that's why it's reasonable to assume that since it's been there for ancient times, that's what the guy can claim. It's been there for so many years, hundreds of years, and therefore I can keep it. And that is the reason why the Mishnah says that if someone finds an object in a heap of stones, ubakotel yashan, or an old wall, the law is hare elu shelo, that he can keep it.